Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion that generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you have one of those, if you need to find guys where the climate control fuses are located, you may have up to 2 of them depending on the year and the type of climate control. One of them could be extremely hidden. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find it, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, and why guys it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video guys. So that will be guys our mission, to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now in addition guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now why we do that? To save you money guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So guys, where can you expect to find the fuse for the climate control on that generation Ford Fusion right here? First we need to go ahead and open the driver door, and here guys, under the dash, you see on the side of the steering wheel where that cover is, you have one clip here, one there, and 2 like that on the other side of the steering wheel. Open that thing, it opens down, and behind it in this corner here you're going to see a fuse box that will look like this one here guys. Okay, that's the interior fuse box. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. So here guys, you're going to see you have some interesting fuses. Fuse numbers are a little bit confusing. Okay, you see some numbers, for instance that's 16. Okay, excuse me, that's fuse number 16 right here, it's printed right next to it. Then you're going to have that's fuse number 14, that's fuse number 12, but here actually that's fuse number 12 and 13. It's 2 fuses integrated in one. The one that we need to check is fuse number 12, that's for climate control. Then you need to open the hood. You may have another fuse in a fuse box that's hidden. Open that cover, and underneath is the main engine fuse box. You have some fuses here, but if you actually, there is a few notches that when you release, that fuse box will flip. Okay, it will come out, flip, and on the bottom side of that fuse box you have more fuses that look like this one. And here guys, you may have another fuse specifically that you need to check on some specific models, and we're talking about fuse number 77. It will be right here. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.